Hello students, today we will study about the colloids. So, what is a colloidal solution? You must remember that we studied two type of mixtures. Firstly, homogeneous and second one were heterogeneous. So, colloids are a type of heterogeneous mixture. Though the particles of colloids are uniformly spread out throughout the solution due to the relatively small size of particles as compared to that of a suspension. The mixture appears to be homogeneous, but actually a colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture. For example, milk. Because of small size of colloidal particle, we cannot see them by naked eyes. So you must have understood that our colloids are just appear like solution, but they are not the true solution. Now, the components of colloid, they are dispersed phase and dispersion medium. If we compare it to the solution we studied earlier, then the solute-like component or dispersed particle in a colloid form dispersed phase. Okay students? And the component in which dispersed phase has been suspended is known as dispersing medium. So the thing, if we are going to compare with the solvents, will be dispersion medium. Colloids can be classified according to the state, solid, liquid or gas, of either dispersing medium or dispersed phase into 8 types, which we are going to discuss now. Here I am showing you a table in which you can see the various possibility of dispersed phase and dispersing medium and the type of colloid which we said, along with some examples. So look at the table students. Firstly, when your dispersed phase is liquid and your dispersion medium is gas, then this is known as aerosol, and example are fog, cloud, mist. When solid is dispersed phase and the dispersion medium is gas, at that time it is also known as aerosols, and example are smoke, automobile exhaust. You have to keep in mind, when your dispersing medium will be gas, we will say this type to be aerosols. Now, when gas is the dispersed phase and dispersing medium is liquid, then we say it foam and shaving cream is its example. Liquid in liquid, they are known as emulsion. Milk and face cream are its example. Solid when dispersed in liquid medium, they are called sol. Milk of magnesia, mud, they are its example. Now, gas in solid. When gas is dispersed in solid state, we say it foam, and example of foam are rubber, sponge, pumice stone. Liquid in solid. When liquid medium is dispersed in solid medium, we say it gel. Examples are jelly, cheese, and butter. At last, when solid state dispersed phase will be in solid dispersing medium, we will say it solid sol. Example are colored gemstones and milky glass. So we have studied these type of your colloids. So we studied another type of mixture which was colloid. Go through it, and in case of any doubt you can ask. In upcoming classes we will study the various properties of colloids. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.